Hello students, welcome to all. Today I am going to teach from NCERT book. It is class 3rd mathematics. Listen all the topic very carefully so that you can understand. First question we are going to take. Have you looked at image from different sides? Do they look the same or different? See, this is a table. Okay, when you look at the table from the different sides like top, bottom, left, right, okay, under, above, then do you see the same table? Yes or no? No. Answer is no. When you see the same table from the different direction, you see different view of the table. So what is the right answer of this question? Answer: yes, I have looked at image from different sides. They look different when seen from different sides. Okay, so students, to do practice for such questions, you need to write the question in your notebook, then you need to write the answer in your notebook, then you can learn it without any doubt. You can learn it, and if such questions appears in your exam, then you can write the answer very easily. So writing is very necessary when you are learning mathematics. This is our another question. Question number 1. A cat is stepping into a classroom. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? Look at this picture carefully. This is cat, this is the window, and inside the window a class is running. See, this teacher is teaching the students and the students are studying. So you need to tell the cat what is the position of teacher. How will you tell? See answer. The teacher is standing at the front of the students in the class. See, this is the teacher. What is the position of teacher? Teacher is standing in front of the students. Okay, because this cat is sitting behind the students. Understood? This is another question for you. Here are some pictures. Find out more. Find out from where you have to look to see the things this way. See, this is a staircase. This is also a staircase, but what is the difference? In both the staircase, view is different. Okay, this is table, this is chair, this is pencil, and this is the bus. Now you need to write answer. Here boxes are given and you need to write the answer. Can you write the answer? Think about it and just write answer in your notebook. Now your time is over. Now I am going to tell the answer. See, this is the stair, but you are not looking the stair from the front. You are looking the stair from the side view. So this is side view. This is the staircase. But how you are looking at the stair? From the front. So answer is front view. This is table. Okay, but from where you are looking at the table? You are looking from the top, so it is top view. This is chair, but from where you are looking at the chair? Side. Okay, so it is side view. This is pencil, but from where you are looking at the pencil? From the top, so it is top view. This is bus, but from where you are looking at the bus? From the side. Okay, so it is the side view of the bus. Understood? Very good. If you have any doubt, you can write in comment section of my YouTube channel video. Okay, so now what you have to do, students, first of all you need to subscribe the channel so that you can get notification of my next video. This is the like button. Like the videos so that the same type of video you can get next time, and you need to share the video to your friends so that they can also learn mathematics from this channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.